Hi, this is Alan solution. Today we are how to installation FileZilla Windows 11. Let's go. Just a minute, we'll wait. FileZilla is open source cross-platform FTP application and consider file transferring. This already download here. Just right click. Yes. Accept. Deny. Accept. Finish. This is FileZilla. How to use here. Host. We are just here is the host being our server IP. Root for 22. Connect. Where we connect. Set password. Yeah. We are already connected our server. Here is our server file. We are here just enable this is desktop. Here is just file is copy, file transported, AWS. Let's go our server ls I think is AWS file. Here is coming. Where here is the FileZilla and transformer Linux file. File. Thanks for watching.